Okay, this is the second period for the topic volume. Okay, in volume also we have to find out the volume of two solid objects. They are cuboid and cube.
Cube.
Do you remember what is the formula of volume of cuboid?
L into B into H.
L
Very
into
good.
B
L
into
cube. L
H.
cube.
And what is the volume of cube?
L cube.
L cube.
Very good,
L
very good.
cube.
And do you remember that what is the unit? What is the unit of volume?
Sir,
V.
Cube.
V.
Unit will come in that cubic unit. Cubic unit means cubic centimeter, cubic meter, kilometer like that. Okay.
Cubic unit.
So cubic unit is the unit for the volume. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And this is the figure. This is the figure of which one? Tell.
Cuboid.
Yeah. In cuboid, actually how many faces will be there? Do you know? How many face?
Faces.
Sir, in cuboid.
Yeah, in
So
cuboid.
in cuboid or cube,
Cuboid also same
so
number.
six
Six.
faces.
Yeah, six one will be there. There will be six faces.
Six.
Six faces.
There will be six faces in what? Cuboid also, cube also.
Cuboid.
You got it?
Eight vertices and 12 edges.
Eight
Okay.
vertex and
8 vertices, 12
Okay,
edges.
there are six
Yes,
faces.
sir.
How many bodies? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Eight.
8. Eight
Sir,
bodies.
8.
What is this?
four
Means what will be this? Corner one. Okay, corner. Okay, children.
Yes, sir.
And now
Yes,
look
sir.
there.
Yes,
Next one.
sir.
Yes, sir.
And this is what is this?
Cube.
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 In cube also the same number of faces will be there, same number of edges will be there, and same number of vertices will be there. And its formula is what?
Okay,
Volume
sir.
of cube is L cube.
L cube.
L cube.
Yeah, volume of the cube is L cube. Are you listening my sound clearly still in there?
yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here is the question. Can you read it once? Find the length
Find
of
the
the
length of a
cuboid.
cuboid if its breadth is 12 centimeter, height is 6 centimeter, and volume is 1000
And volume is
volume is
1080
1080
centimeter
centimeter
cube.
cube.
What is missing there? What is missing there?
length.
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 Sir,
Length is
length.
missing
Yes.
there.
Yeah, in volume formula, look here. In volume formula, length, breadth, height, and volume also given, breadth also given, height also given. Only one thing is missing, that is length is missing. You have to change the side, okay? Then you will get the value of length. Do you know how to change the side? When multiplied term goes
Yes,
and the side will be,
sir.
Yes.
when
Yes,
multiplied
sir.
goes and the side
Yes,
will be divide.
sir.
Divide, right?
Yes,
divide.
sir.
12, 6
Yes,
are
sir.
72 and 72 goes on the side to divide. Then you will get length equals how much?
15
15
centimeter.
centimeter.
15 centimeter.
15 centimeter. You are absolutely right. Okay. Can you solve like this question?
Yes, sir.
Sir, wait, I
Yes,
am
sir.
copying.
Okay, you
Sir,
can
wait, I am
copy. You
copying.
can copy. You can write down. You can note down in your copy. I am waiting. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Whenever you finish writing, whenever you complete writing, please inform me. I will proceed to the next slide.
Sir, I took the screenshot.
Better to write directly in
I'm
copy. Better to write in copy.
Yes, sir, done.
Yes, sir, you can move it.
Yes, sir, done.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you can move.
Yes, sir. You can move.
Yes, sir, you can move it.
Yes, there is already. You are not looking on the screen. It is already shown there. Find the breadth.
Oh, yes.
Find the breadth of a cuboid if its length is 15 centimeter, height is 6 centimeter, and volume is 1170 centimeter cube. This question was the same, but missing value is which one? Breadth.
Breath.
Breath.
That is only difference. Other is same.
Breath.
Other is same.
Yes, sir.
Volume is given
Yes, sir.
1170. Length is given 15. Breadth is not given. Height is given 6. 15 6 are 90, and 90 will go another side to divide. And when you divide 1170 by 90, you'll get 13 centimeter answer. That is the
Cube.
breadth. That is the value of breadth. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you want to note down.
Sir, already.
Sir, already done.
Sir, wait,
Yes,
I'm-
sir.
Okay. Now let's see another one.
Okay, sir, copy.
So you can move to the next one.
Okay,
Yes,
already
sir.
moved. This is number 3. Find the height. Find the height of a cuboid if its length is 25, breadth is 20, and volume is 3,500 centimeter cube. Here what is missing?
3005.
Here height is
Sir,
missing.
height.
Height is missing.
Sir,
Both the-
height is
Yeah,
height
both
is
the
missing.
process is same. Do you find the similar thing there? Process.
Yes, sir.
Process
Yes,
is
sir.
same.
Every
Process is same. Just one number length was missing. In 2 number breadth was missing. In 3 number what is missing here?
Sir, height.
Height
Height is missing.
Then 25 into 20 will be 500, and 500 will go another side to divide 3,500.
Yes, sir.
When you
7.
divide
Seven.
3,500, when you divide 3,500, when you divide 3,500 by 500, you will get
Sir, 0,
7.
0 will be cancelled, 5 7 is 35. Then what is the height there?
7
7
centimeter.
7 centimeter.
Very good. Have you understood, children?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Understood.
Yes,
Sir, wait.
Okay. If you want to note it down, okay, in your copy.
Okay, sir.
Already noted down.
So you can. So you can move.
Sir, wait, I'm copying.
Another one. Okay, sir, you can move. Sir,
Okay, sir, done.
Okay. Now it's your turn.
sir.
It's your turn. Let's find out question number 1 and tell me the answer.
Okay, sir. Sir, 36.
Who has done already?
Yes, sir, 36.
You have to find out. You have to find out the
Area and then area we should find, and then in first
first one. We
first
have to find out
and
length. Volume equals to L cube. Volume equals to L cube. Then length equals to cube root volume. Find out the cube
Yes.
root of 216. Find
cube
out
root
the
Length equal to.
and then
cube root of 216.
30.
Find out. Length equals to cube root of volume. What will come? Its
Sir,
length.
can you see next question?
Its length will come 6 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
If you
And
know,
then length square.
Yes, sir.
yes. when you find out length, we have to write length equals to cube root of volume. Okay, length equals to cube root of volume. Cube root of volume, because volume equals to L cube. Then if cube cancel, the other side will go cube root. Then area of its faces means, what is its area? Area of face means L square, because that is what? Cube. Cube means its face will be square face, right? Understood? And area of its faces means one face, it will be 6 square. 6 square means 36 centimeter square. And there are how many faces? 6 faces. Then multiply
Six pieces.
multiply 36 with 6. One face area will come 36 centimeter square, and there will be 6 faces, then 36 centimeter square multiplied by 6. Are you clear?
Sir.
Sir, I didn't understand.
Sir, I also didn't understand.
Okay.
Can you
What you are
explain
telling?
it?
Yeah, I am again telling. First of all, how to find length?
Sir,
216 cube.
First of all, you tell me how to find out length. Length equals to cube root of volume. Length equals to cube root of volume. Volume is 216. Find out the cube root of 216. You will get the length. How much?
6.
6 centimeter. Okay. As I told you, how many faces are there in cube?
Sir,
Six.
there are
Sir,
6 faces.
6 faces.
Six faces.
And all faces will be square in shape. All faces will be square in shape in cube. Isn't it? Then its faces area means, the faces area of its faces means 6 L square, you have right. One is L square, there are how many faces? 6, then 6 L square it will be. Understood?
Yes, sir.
6 L square means 6 into 6 centimeter whole square. That 6 is a 36, 36 multiplied with 6, then you will get
116.
216 centimeter square, you have right. 216 centimeter square. Okay, Sulen?
Okay, sir.
Are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, should I proceed to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Sir, I didn't understand that. 6 into 6 square.
Okay, I am again telling. In one side, okay, each side will be a square. Each side will be square. Are you clear?
Sir, what is the formula of that?
Yeah, that I am telling. There are 6 faces, that's why it will be 6 L square. The area of faces of the cube is 6 L square formula. Because one side will be L square, then there are 6 faces, then it will be 6 L square. That is known as total surface area of cube. Total surface area of cube is 6 L square.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now let's see the question number 2. The area of the base of a cuboid is 40 centimeter square. If its volume is 360 centimeter cube, find its height. It's very easy. Look at area of the base means this 40 centimeter square is the value of L into B, because base of the cuboid will be rectangular in shape. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Cuboid
sir.
base. Cuboid base what
yes,
will be?
sir.
Cuboid base what will be?
Cuboid base, sir.
shape. Rectangle. Okay.
Rectangular in shape.
That means L
Sir,
into
what
B.
is the formula? Area of cube.
Look there.
L
40,
into B.
40 centimeter square is the value of what? 40 centimeter square is the value of L
Area
into
of
B.
the
Base of a
base.
cuboid.
Length into breadth. This is the area of base. 40 centimeter square is the value of L into B. And what is the volume given here? 360 centimeter square. We can find out height easily.
Not
We
36.
we have to write, look here. Listen to me carefully. Volume equals to, write down, note down in copy. Volume equals to L into B into S. Okay. In place of volume, left side. In place of volume, left side at 360 centimeter cube.
And that is fine.
And length into breadth. In place of L into B, write what? 40 centimeter square. Length into breadth means area of the base. Okay. Length into breadth means 40 centimeter square. But here is not given height. Height is not given, right? H only. Then 40 centimeter square will go to divide 360 on
Sir,
left side.
49 centimeter is the answer.
How much?
9 centimeter is the answer.
Sir, 9 centimeter is the answer.
You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. In
Yes,
just
sir, I
just in formula of volume, L into B. In place of L into B, you have to write 40 centimeter square. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Then right side there remains at then height value will come. Are you clear?
Sir, number 1, can you explain process wise? Sir, number 2, understand what number 1.
Number 1, okay, I am repeating again. Volume is given.
Sir, can you do
Sir, can you
in
do
one
in whiteboard?
plain page?
Yes,
Yes, in
sir.
whiteboard.
So we understand.
Okay, I am telling orally, just remember and you can note down. First line right there, volume of cube equals to L cube. Volume of cube equals to
Volume of cube.
volume of cube equals to L cube. Then
Yes,
right
sir. After
side.
that,
Then if you cancel cube of length, on the left side there will go cube root of volume. Cube root, do you know outright cube root?
Yeah.
Root sign right there, and in the corner of root sign they write 3. There will be cube root volume.
Yes, sir.
If you find the cube root of 216,
And it.
if you write the cube root volume equals to length, then in cube root volume you write what is cube root 216. If you find the cube root of 216, you will get how many factors? 3 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. There will be 3 times 3 and 3 times 2 also. Then 1 3 will come out and another 2 will come out. Then length of the cube will come 6 centimeter. If you know the length of the cube, then we have to find the area of its faces. I just told there are how many faces? 6 faces. One face is square in shape, other faces also, all the faces will be also square in shape. Then its area of the faces means 6L square. 6 into L square means L means there was 6. 6 into 6 centimeter whole square do. Then you have to multiply 6 into 36 will be there. 6 into 36 means it will come 216 centimeter square. I hope, Preeti, are you clear? Hello, Preeti, are you clear?
Sir, can you please write over and explain
Okay.
the
I am again telling, look here. You just tell me, what is the formula of volume? Volume
sir,
equals
what
to
is the
L.
formula of area?
That L, sir, L will come 6 centimeters. After that, what we have to do?
After
Sir, sir, what is the formula of area of cube?
after finding the value of L, we have to write area of its faces. Area of faces means there will be how many faces I just told?
So 6.
6 faces.
Then if one face is L square, then 6 faces means how many L square? 6L square. 6L square means 6 into 6 square means 6 into 36 will be there. 6 into 36 means
Yes,
what
sir,
is
I
there?
got.
216 centimeter square.
Yes, sir.
You just remember that the surface area is the total surface area of the cube means 6L square. Should I forward?
Sir, so the formula for area of faces is 6L square.
Yes, you have told correct.
Okay, sir, I got.
I am moving to the next slide.
Sir.
In this question, you have to ask me which one question you feel difficult. I will explain that.
Sir, sir, number
So
one
one number answer is 10
10
centimeter.
centimeter, and number two answer will come 11 centimeter. Number three answer length will come 135 centimeter, breadth 108 centimeter, and height 54 centimeter. And number four answer will come height 9 centimeter. And then, sir, I am doing that one.
Look here, everybody. Look, children, look here. And my pointer is see, okay? In question number 4, length we have to suppose 5x. Length, how much will suppose?
5x.
5x,
Breadth,
breadth 4x, and height 2x.
height is not given there.
In
Height-
number 4, not number 3.
Number 4, I am
Oh,
explaining.
sorry, sir.
Number 4, length is 5x, breadth is 2x. Then, area of its base is given there. Area of base means L into B. L into B. L means 5x, breadth means 2x. 5x into 2x, what will be? 10x square.
The last
Look, now, I am going to tell. Please, at the middle, do not, okay? Speak now, okay? I am explaining 4 number. Okay, children? First of all,
okay, sir.
length
Yes,
is 5x, breadth is 2x. Length into breadth means 5x into 2x equals to 40 centimeters square. Okay, and it will be 10x square equals what will be? 10x square equals to 40 centimeters square. Then x square is equal to 40 by 10. Then x equals to what will be? X square equals to 4. If x square equals to 4, then what will be the value of x? X equals to square root 4. If you find the square root of 4, you will get the value of x. How much? If you find the square root 4 means what? Square root of 4 means 2. You will get the value of,
Yes, sir.
you will get the value of x. How much? 2. Okay.
2.
And if you find value of x2, then can you tell me what is the length? Length was 5x. 5 into 2, what will be now? Length.
Sir, 20 centimeter length, and breadth will be 8
No.
centimeter. Height will
No. Length will be 10. 5 into 2 will be there.
Yes, sir. 5 to the 10.
Because we just found the value of x2, no, there. Length,
So after that,
length will be 5x. 5x means 5 into 2 is 10. And what is the
10.
breadth? What is breadth?
base is 40 centimeters square.
Breadth is 4 only. Because
4, yes, sir.
2 into
2 into 2.
2 into 2, it will be 4. Length is 10, breadth is.
4.
Now, can you find out height?
Height is
Just like previous question. Volume is given. Volume equals to L into B into H.
9.
Sir, what is the formula of area of cube?
Area of cube. Where is it given that one?
Sir, I want to know, sir.
Yeah, I just told there. What is the area? Area means surface area. Just what I had told. Surface area means 6L square.
Okay, sir.
Area of cube means area of what? 6 surfaces, okay?
Okay, sir. Sir, can you explain that 2 number how to do?
2 number, I am going to tell you again. It was told just now. Volume equals to L cube or not?
Yes, sir.
And what I told
So
you.
it will be 11.
No, what I told you then. If you
Sir, wait.
find a,
From first, sir. From first.
yeah, from the first only I am telling. Volume equals to L cube or not? Volume equals to L cube or not?
Yes, sir.
Then what will be the formula of L? L equals to cube root
Cube root.
of volume. We have to find out
Sir,
the
volume of cube is 6L cube or L cube only.
volume of cube is L cube only. Then what is the value of L? L means cube root of volume. L means cube root of volume. Understood?
Okay, sir. Understood. My answer came, sir. Thank
Then
you.
when you find the cube root of 1331, you will get 11 centimeter. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Now I am going to explain question number 3. Please everybody listen to me and look the question number 3. Here we have to suppose length is 5x, length is
5x.
5x,
breadth is
4x.
4x,
height is
2x.
2x,
good. Then volume is given how much?
1080 centimeter cube.
Then use the formula of volume. What is the formula of volume?
1080 centimeter is equal to 5x into
5x
4x
into
2x.
4x into 2x. If you multiply them, it will come what?
Yes, sir.
5 4 the 20, 20 to the 40. 40x
40.
cube.
3 divided
40x cube. 40x cube will come.
Yes, sir.
Then,
Yes,
Then
sir.
1080 will be divided by 40. Then right side what is remaining?
7.
Right side there is remaining x cube. Then let's cancel 1080 and 40. 4 0 cancel, 4 1 4, 4 to the 8. Next 4 7 the 27, right?
So 27 will be the x value. So
Yes,
And
sir.
now 5
27,
into
length
27 is the value of x cube. X cube.
Yes, sir. Length is 135
No,
centimeter.
wait. When you find
Sir,
x,
value-
look, listen to me. X cube means 27, then what is the x value? X value is cube root of 27. Cube root of 27 means you will get how much?
Oh,
How much you will get?
3.
Yes,
3.
sir.
very good.
3.
Cube root of 27 means you will get 3. You are absolutely right. Then we have to put the value of x in length. What was our length? 5x. 5 into
5x.
3. 5 into 3 means 15.
15.
Now what was our breadth? Breadth was 4x.
4x.
4 into 3 means
12.
12. And what is our height? 2x. 2 into 3 means what is there?
2x.
2 into 3.
6.
6x. Good. We got
6.
length also, breadth also, and height also.
Height also.
Are you clear, children, about question number 3?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I hope you have understood all the questions. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Good. Very good. Okay. Today, this month only, we will meet on next period now.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Bye-bye,
Sir,
sir.
can you show I am copying the question? Sir, can Yes, sir.
Bye-bye and see you on next period. Keep practicing mathematics, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bye-bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
See you. Bye bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Have a
Bye-bye.
good day.